And we're back to learning Photoshop in a year, day 257. Let's get back to the color replacement tool. I've shown you the basics in the last video. You'll find it right here where the brush tool is, therefore B is the short key for this toolbox. You can change the color that you want to add right here via the forefront color swatch. Let me in this case stick to black because we already have the basic colors on our image. So what we're going to do here is we apply a dark gray, set it to color, and then use everything as it is, but let me size up the brush a little bit to 200 so that we can see it better. Now if I paint over this, you can see how, for example, the greenish color gets grayed out. And I can also left click and then drag over all of these. It finds the edges of the background and changes these colors. But it's only that because I've got the first mode active right here for sampling continuous. It should be active by default, so I haven't mentioned it in the last video. And what that means is that it's simply applying the new color, in our case, the dark gray, the black, continuously. So in this case over green, red, orange and blue. Let us switch to the second mode, which is called sampling once. And now if I left click outside of my canvas and then drag, you can see nothing happens. It's because the first point where you left click, this is the color that will be sampled and then changed. And in this case, the canvas has a color that's not part of my image, therefore we won't see anything. But if I release and then left click on green, it does the job, and then I move to the right and it doesn't change anything. So wherever you left click first, this is the sample color, and only if you release the left click and you left click again on a different color, this will be also recolored. We have a third mode right here, which is called sampling background swatch. What we do here is we check our color swatches down there. Black is the foreground, white was the background. I make the white foreground, left click on it. And now I sample, for example, this reddish color, confirm. I switch it to the background again. So black is in the foreground, that's the color that we want to add, and red is in the background. And this is now our sample color. And it simply means that no matter where we click now, as long as this is active in the top menu, only the reddish color will be changed. You can see that right here. And these are the 3 sampling modes of this color replacement tool. I hope this video was helpful, thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.